It's my wood. I need to protect it.
It's always good to start your chainsaw before you leave the house, just in case something goes wrong. Alright, so in the last video I realized there wasn't much cutting with the actual chainsaw, so in this video I'm going to have a lot more activity with the chainsaw, just to give you guys a better understanding of how it cuts if you decide to make a purchase into a Husqvarna chainsaw. So I'm actually going to a place where the property lot was cleared in order for them to build a home. So they have a bunch of logs that were moved aside on the property when they were building. A lot of people have actually scavenged through the wood that was there, so I'm not sure how great the wood is that's left over, but we're gonna take a look. It has been cut and sitting for quite some time, so I'm not sure if it's gonna be the best wood for firewood, but this will just give us an idea of how the chainsaw runs, and if there is good wood, we'll take that home too.